Yeah. Hey, well, this is Senel chilling with my boy Jai out of Jamaica, you know, and tonight, you know, it's gonna be real at Gospel Explosion. So, Jai, what can the people expect tonight, man?
You know what I mean, just craziness, you know what I mean? We just come out of church a while ago, so yeah, we just get mad for Christ, you know what I mean? Get your rags. Ladies, you can't wear the IE, you understand me? If you wear IE, I'll tell you, you have to take it out because too much jumping, too much waving, too much dancing, too much moving up and down, so you can't wear the IE, you understand me? Take off the IE, wear some loafers and things, wear some of them little thing there, you know, it's comfy, you know what I mean? Start out this waving rag if you want to bring water, you know what I mean? Whatever you want to bring to make yourself comfortable. But tonight is going to be crazy ministry, energy, and entertainment, you know what I mean? It's the right balance, I think, you see me?
Yeah, man, well, you see, this is Senel, you know, chilling with Jai, and tonight, trust me, this show is gonna be a blast, it's gonna be big. Real energy, giving thanks and praise to the Almighty, you know.
Yeah.
So everybody gonna come out in large numbers, and trust me, this is gonna be real big.
Yeah.
So yo, big up everybody. Love you. This is Senel Jai out of Jamaica.
To the most,
To the most, man. God bless you, man.